Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So if you live in America, in the United States of America, you all know that the snowstorm is coming this weekend and the east, southern states and midwest will be affected. No matter how much it does look beautiful from inside, but we all know that it does affect our day-to-day life. Here are some safety tips I'm going to share with you. So before the storm, we should check weather updates regularly and warnings regularly. We should stock up some essentials like food, water, med, battery, flashlights. We should charge our phones and power banks in case of power outage. And we should keep our faucets dripping to prevent freezing, and we should bring pets indoor and secure outdoor items if anything in patio or anything like that. And during the storm we should stay inside as much as possible. We should avoid unnecessary travel because roads can be icy and dangerous. We should not keep our heaters close to the flammable items, right? We should never use grills or generators indoors because carbon monoxide risk is always there. We should wear warm layers if you must go outside, right? And if you have to go outside, you should take precautions like wearing non-slip boots, gloves, hat and scarf. We should walk slowly to avoid slips and falls. Watch for frostbite and hypothermia sign if you are staying longer outside in this storm. And if we have power outage safety, we should have flashlights instead of candles. Keep refrigerator or freezer doors closed. Use generators outdoors only, far from the window, right? And when the storm is done, after the storm, what we should be doing? Clear snow carefully to avoid injury. Watch for ice on walkways and roof. Check on elderly neighbors or those who need our help, right? We should be more compassionate. We should not just think about ourselves. So these were some tips we should follow to be safe in this snowstorm season, and just take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Under the